Micarta Material. Micarta Material is a thermoset plastic, meaning that it cannot be melted back down or recycled in that manner. Think of a thermoset plastic as a cake. Once cooked, you cannot get the eggs and other ingredients back out. Many of us think of plastic as a meltable material that can be melted back down and reformed again. However, when it comes to thermosets, that simply is not the case. Things such as your car tires are a good example of a thermoset material. These materials are developed because of a chemical reaction. This chemical reaction cannot be undone. Micarta is actually a brand name for a material that is basically fiberglass, in basic terms. This material is made up of carbon fiber, linen, paper, canvas, and fiberglass. It is a resin that is enhanced with these other products to increase its strength and electrical insulation properties. Similar to G10 and F4 material. It often comes in sheets that will need to be machined in a fashion that will best suit the application. Micarta is not easy to machine as it is very aggressive to any machine bits. It has been around since 1910, so the manufacturing process is very simple and almost archaic. However, it works well for many industries as it has low water absorption and a low coefficient of thermal expansion. The coefficient of thermal expansion is the measurement of a material as it expands under heat and cold. Many materials will expand when hot and shrink when cold. This is a high thermal expansion. However, for circuit boards and other things we don't want a high expansion rate or it will break the board and cause all kinds of issues. This is why Micarta and F10 materials are used in the making of circuit boards and other things when the tolerances are tight. Tight tolerances are why most people choose Micarta material. This material, like most fiberglass materials, is very strong and stable. It is produced in many different fashions from sheets, which is the most popular with tubes and rods. It can be extruded into these shapes, but it is not made for injection molding, which is the most common way to form plastics in today's market. Once it is extruded, we can then machine it to be the shape needed and apply the various circuit board connectors. Micarta is very stable. Other material names that we find Micarta called are FR4 and G10, which are the more generic names of the material. This material is great for marine applications as well. It is not bothered by water absorption as is some materials. Micarta is completely safe to marine life as it is very chemically stable. It is a great material for circuit boards as well. This material is very stable and won't expand and shrink due to moisture content in the air or varying temperatures. Many products that utilize the circuit board concept are put to the test in all kinds of applications. Circuit boards are not only used in computers but in a large variety of various devices. Because of this, they need to have a very stable material in order for them to be productive in a wide variety of applications. Have special a design that requires Micarta material. Not sure if it's the right material for your project? We can help and create the exact product for your needs and requirements. Call us today for a free consultation.